Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. So today I'm very excited to be unboxing some of the Arendal Sound or Arendal Sound. If you're from Norway, please tell me how to say it properly. But it's some of the 1723S models and also the 1961 bookshelf speakers. So enjoy the unboxing. If you do enjoy the content, please feel free to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll do a more detailed review video afterwards. So enjoy the video and I'll see you on the other side. Here we go. As the box says, this is one of the Arendal Sound or Arendal Sound 1723 Monitor S. So it's not the full size 1723 with the 8-inch driver. It's the S series, the small, apparently laughably small because they're still massive. So it's the 1723S, which has then got the dual 6.5-inch drivers and obviously the tweeter with the waveguide. So let's have a little look. Beautiful. Got some umpire's gloves so that we can keep it nice and clean. Paperwork. After ordering, these were in stock on the website. These have been delivered a week after ordering, so a little bit of time to process the order, just a couple of days, and then enough time to ship them from Norway across to the UK. This is very well packaged, and I absolutely love the presentation of them. And here we are, we finally manhandled it out of the cardboard. This is impressive. I like it. I like unpackaging these speakers, they make it very fun. Oh, wowzers. Yes, 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 yes. Again, I've only just slightly unravelled it, and the finish is glorious. I think I read online these are, like, there's about 8 different layers of paint or something to get such a nice finish, and it's certainly impressive. Right, ready? There we go. Wow, that is immense. Very, very nice, incredibly solid. So there we go, that's one of the 1723S THX monitors in satin black, and as I say, I'm very impressed with that. More to come once it's all set up. Next up, we've got the 1723 Surround S. So 1723 Surround S, which again is the smaller range with the 6.5-inch drivers. So I believe these come in singular boxes, as in it's a pair, but they come as 2 separate boxes. So what have we got? Another pair of gloves. I think that means I'm going to have 5 pairs of those gloves soon. That's exciting. I imagine this is going to be the brackets, because it does come with wall mounting brackets. So again, we've got one of the speaker grills. There you go, metal underneath and then fabric on top. Very, very nice. Let's unwrap the lovely bag. And there we go. Yep, I've seen reviews, I've seen pictures, but they are very nice in real life. Again, a lovely finish. Even the quality around the back, it just looks very classy. Very classy. Really nicely printed. The terminals look great. The finish of them looks superb again. So let's turn this over. There we go, that is stunning. It's not too big, obviously it is the small, it is the S series. So again, that's a 6.5 inch driver. Then of course the tweeter with the aluminium waveguide, I believe it's aluminium, and then two 4-inch drivers either side. So you can run this in direct firing or direct radiating monopole if you want to run just the front drivers, or basically by leaving the terminals connected at the back, you can then run it in triaxial mode, which effectively gives a wider dispersion. My room's quite thin and narrow, so I will probably run these in triaxial mode, but we will see. But again, that is lovely finish, satin black, 1723S surrounds. Lovely, can't wait to get them on the wall. These would be a pair of the 1961 bookshelf speakers. So in the box there's some nice documentation. So these, I've seen other videos on these, but these I believe would then be the speaker grills, which we'll have a look at in a moment. Oh, they are weighty. They're a lot heavier than I expected. Very, very nice. Oh, nicely tied up. This is a lovely presentation. Beautiful. Wow. That is really, really nice. Given that these are the sort of entry level, the more budget, the smaller range. I'll do some nice photos and different angles of this. But that is absolutely lovely. Let's just turn it over for the camera a bit. But that is a really nice piece of kit. The finish on it is superb. It is matte black. It's sort of got a slight grain to the finish, but it's sort of just perfectly seamlessly wrapped. A nice soft rounded edge all the way around it. The actual quality of the drivers, obviously you can't tell the sound of the quality, but the actual finish of everything here, the waveguide, slight rubberized finish here, that is absolutely superb. Very, very nice. As I say, that's one of the 1961 bookshelves, which in my system is going to be for the surround back channels. There's no visible signs then for the speaker grills. But there we are, nicely with a decent sized logo. And these, I believe, are, yeah, classy. Very, very nice. Very impressed with that. So there we go, that's the 1961 bookshelves. There we go. I really hope you've enjoyed the unboxing video and the photos at the end. They really are glorious speakers. I'll be doing a review video soon where I compare these to my previous Bowers & Wilkins setup. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you've enjoyed, please feel free to drop a like. See you in the next video.